Randall Carlson here. Would like to invite you to join me this coming winter solstice 2023 for a free live presentation, which I believe you will find very interesting. For inhabitants of the Northern Hemisphere, the winter solstice is a time of darkness. For 6 months from the time of the summer solstice, the days have been getting shorter, the nights longer, while the power of the sun has apparently been waning as each day its culmination in the sky gets progressively lower. Its rising and setting points on the horizon move progressively away towards the south, and its warmth diminishes. Now, the term solstice is a compound word from the Latin, which means a standing of the sun, composed of sol, meaning sun, and stitium, which means a standing. The date of this solstitial nadir occurs in the Northern Hemisphere on December 22nd of each year. For a couple of days, the sun's rising and setting stands at that southernmost position on the horizon. But by the third day, something becomes apparent. The sun is resurrected. Its rising and setting positions on the horizon have reversed. To careful observers, the sun now appears to be coming back toward the north. It also is apparent that the length of the day has increased by a small but measurable amount. This event became a cause for celebration. The return of the sun, the return of the light. And sure enough, as the days progressed, the sun's return was abundantly confirmed. Now, coincidentally, this day on which the return of the light first becomes apparent is our modern date for Christmas, which we celebrate with a profusion of lights. Now, quite obviously, each year this phenomena was repeated, and everyone in all cultures of old, of whatever religious belief, knew and expected that the sun was not going to continue to decline forever, but would certainly behave as it had repeatedly and predictably in all preceding years. But here's the thing. The celebration of the return of the sun was, on another level, about commemorating and remembering a time or times during which the sun, in fact, did disappear from sight, and the world was, for a time, enshrouded in darkness. And now, science is confirming that such a thing is not only possible, but very likely has occurred within both historic and prehistoric times. We can now understand that it is to such phenomena that ancient sacred writings are referring in numerous examples when they speak of times of darkness and of the sun's light being suppressed. But there's more. Even as the light ultimately prevailed and the barrenness of winter eventually gave way to spring and the renewal of life, so did the effects of ancient disasters ultimately abate, allowing for a resurrection of life and of civilization, and the inauguration of a new cycle or a new cosmic year. So again, I would like to invite you to join me this winter solstice, December 22nd, for a free live presentation in which we will take another deep dive into the ancient origins of one of our most cherished holidays and learn about the profound meaning and esoteric significance concealed therein, and what lessons this knowledge may hold for our contemporary world. Be prepared for some surprises. I hope to see you there. Thank you.